Hey everybody, it's Brandon again. While I was setting up Lutris on Chrome OS Flex here for another user who requested that, when I was going through trying to actually install a game under Lutris, it said that I should install Wine and the required dependencies under Chrome OS. And then they provided a link, and they just had one command that not only installed Wine, but all the dependencies that it was actually probably going to need. And so I did that, which I took right here from the Lutris page, and I'm just going to put this command in the comments here because when somebody else already does all the work for you, in my opinion, it makes sense to use what they've done instead of trying to do everything yourself. And so I installed that already. I'm not going to go through it again and show you. There were no issues or anything. But now I have Wine working on here. And for those who don't know, Wine is a program used on both Linux and Macintosh to run Windows programs. And just to demonstrate it, I downloaded and installed Notepad++, which is a Windows program, which some of you might be aware of. And I'm just put in the command to launch it here. It'll take a minute. Hopefully not a whole minute, but it'll take a moment, and then it'll come up. And so after this shows up and I show you it working, I'll just show you a couple of caveats here with this. So here it is. I got Notepad++ working on Chrome OS Flex here. It looked really laggy there. A lot of this is because I'm screen recording right now and it slows my computer down. It wasn't that bad earlier when I was messing with it, but it's not like smooth. But if you do need some Windows programs, you can get Wine working. So I'm going to go ahead and close that and show you some of the things you have to be aware of here. First of all, when you download a Windows program you want to install, after putting Wine on this, it'll be in your downloads folder, but Wine will not be associated with exe files on Chrome OS. So what I did is I just copied it and I pasted it into the Linux files folder so it's available to Linux. And then let me just open a new terminal. And so anything you put in that Linux files folder, if you just hit ls, it's going to be right there. So then you type like wine npp, and when you start typing the file name, you can just hit tab and it'll finish it for you. And then I hit enter and it did the installer. And that all went fine. The second thing I noticed is that while it did create a launcher shortcut for me, that did not work. And so in order to launch it, I actually had to cd into my home directory, which is what here, I'll just show you. When you open your terminal, you're going to be in your Linux home directory. The Wine files are in cd./wine. What am I doing here? cd.wine. Anyway, a dot at the beginning means it's a hidden directory, so it won't show up when you just do a normal ls. And then you have a drive C in there, cd drive C. This is going to be your Windows C drive, that Wine C's. And then you can look around in that, cd program files, just to show you what all's in there. This is where all your Wine stuff is, and you can do cd notepad++. And then our Notepad++ executables in there. You'd type wine notepad.exe. And I think I can edit the desktop file to make this launch properly. I didn't take the time to look into that or mess with that yet, but I think I could probably fix that. And if people are interested in Notepad++, I can make a video about getting that to work specifically. But anyway, so that's what I had to go through to get Notepad++ installed on here. It worked fine. I haven't tried any other Windows programs yet. I just did this because I'm getting ready to do a video about installing a game under Lutris, so that'll be next. But I just wanted to show you a fairly easy way to get Wine up and running on a Chrome OS or a Chrome OS Flex device. And so here it is. It runs, it works, pretty easy to set up. Let me know if you have any questions on it. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.